Hey guys, so someone asked me how to make a work order on Cummins Insite for like if you want to reflash the ECM for you to save the parameters. So how I do it is just click new work order on this tab right here. On this one the name doesn't matter, so I just usually put just 2 dots down there. Then I click OK. Then I just have it creating the image. Wait for it to get his job done. And then when this pops up, you go just click on this one on the bottom, you right click, you do convert to template, and then here you want to put in the name that you want it saved. So we go I just usually like to do company name, truck number, press OK. Then you can scroll down, it's always going to be on the bottom, and there you go, there's your work order right there. Doing what we just did. Now you can reflash your ECM and it's going to save all the parameters. And that's how you make a work order for each truck, and these are all my saved ones, and it saves it all in the engines. If I hook up the CM2350, it's going to pop up all my CM2350s that I ever did. And there you go, that's a work order.